If you want to hide photos and videos on Xiaomi 15T and 15T Pro, what you can do is you can open the gallery, and then in photos we're gonna, for example, press and hold our finger in order to select the first photo or video that we wish to hide, and I'm gonna actually select multiple files at once. Let's say I'm gonna include these photos as well. Next, we need to tap on Add to Album at the bottom of the screen, and then over here we can find the private album, so we can select it. There we go. We need to set the privacy protection password that will be used in order to access the private album. So let's say I'm gonna set up this little pattern password over here, and I'm gonna go next. Of course, we can use our Xiaomi account in order to be able to recover the password in case we forget it, but I'm not gonna do that actually. And there we go. We have added our photos to the private album. In order to find it, we need to actually swipe down over here in this album section. And then, of course, we can enter the privacy password in order to access these hidden photos and videos. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.